So, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is my submission for activity 1 in web development. So, first of all, we open our command prompt and then we locate the file. Once located, we put the serve on. So, now we have our server. And now we sign up. For our username, for our password. Okay, so there you go. So we register or we enter our email or username. Let's put our username instead because the at logo is not working. Okay, thank you so much, sir. Have a good morning, good evening, and good afternoon.